This is one great recipe everyone should know. Like most great recipes, has a few simple ingredients: butter, powdered sugar, flour, 1 egg, and a little bit of salt. Start by creaming the butter. When the butter is at room temperature, it's easy. Then add some powdered sugar. Mix it with the butter, then turn the mixer on. This way you avoid getting a cloud of sugar. Now, add the egg and the rest of the sugar. Mix all ingredients together until creamy. It's time to add the flour. You have to sift it for this recipe. It doesn't take long, just 1 minute. Mix the flour into the cream a little, then you can start the mixer. Now the dough is done. It took about 5 minutes. You don't even need a mixer, you can make it very easy with the spoon. Because the dough is soft, you need to refrigerate it, then roll out the dough sheet and place it in the pan. Or, you can take a shortcut and put the dough in the pan, cover with food wrap and form the shell. There is a video linked in the description on how to do it. When done, transfer the pan in the freezer overnight. When ready to bake it, remove the food wrap and pierce the dough with a fork. I bake from frozen, no need to blind bake. Or you can add a filling and bake again from frozen. You can see the sides of the tart did not slide down. It's perfect.